I'm on a run like there's nothing to it. No thoughts, let's just fucking do it. You, no fun, you're just getting through it. I'm just getting better, that's just how I'm doing. Making music, getting to it. New shit, no shit, exclusive. Me, so fun, I ain't through with it. I'm just getting better, that's just how I'm doing. Making music. Don't ask me how I did it, I just did it, it was hard. I just pulled up to the studio and laid it on the line. I just shot enough fish inside a barrel till I hit. Now I'm